Okay, I'm back. Let's fix this. Okay. So we left off here. Ngom Sombuluko on Monday. Gizo Kuluma. Zo is the future tense. We will go over that soon. Gizo Kuluma. Nom Pinchi. With my friend. Nom Pinchi with a friend of mine. Wami means mine. Ngesi Zulu. In Zulu. In Zulu. Maybe the video before this one, I probably should have went over the Ami, Ako, the possessive, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that. Actually, probably, yeah, my next lesson, I'll probably go over those. So we have the days of weeks here. Now to talk about this, in Zulu there are two rules to remember. You have to remember A plus I gives you E, and then A plus U gives you O. What does that mean? If you go back to this sentence here, Ngom Sombuluko, this if you go over here, Sombuluko, there's a U here. There's a U. Sombuluko. So if you wanted to say on Monday, let's just say if you wanted to write like this. You know, Nga is on. So let's just say you wanted to write Nga Sombuluko. Say if you wanted to write that, Ngom Sombuluko. Now, a native speaker of Zulu will understand what you're trying to say, but grammatically this is not correct. And as you can see, the problem is the problem is here. AU. You can't have two vowels connected in Zulu. It doesn't work like that. Actually, in any Bantu language, I think that the same rule applies. But here you have AU. You have two vowels, and if you go up here to this rule here, A plus U gives you O. You see, A plus U gives you O. So that's why here you see Ngom Sombuluko, because basically what I did, I dropped the AU and added O. So that's what that means. You just remember, when you see two vowels, you have to change it. So if it's an AU, you have to drop the AU and put O. If it's in the AI, you have to drop the AI and put E. So I'll show you the AI one. Let's take Isonto on Sunday. So let's say on Sunday. I'll write it the incorrect way first. So I want to write on Sunday. Okay, so okay, I know that Nga is on, and then Isonto. Right? Looks good, doesn't it? Nga Isonto. Nga Isonto. You see, you have two vowels here. Two vowels, A and I. And the rule here tells you A plus I gives you E. So Nga Isonto should be written like this. Should be written like this. Nge Sonto. It should be Nge Sonto. Pretty sure you guys are getting this. So A plus I gives you E. And as you can see, I dropped the A and I, and then I added the E here. So Nge Sonto. Not Nga Isonto, but Nge Sonto. Same with Sombuluko. Ngom Sombuluko. We dropped the A and U. Ngom Sombuluko. Yeah, Ngom Sombuluko. And we added the O here. Can't have two vowels. So we drop the AU and add the O. So that's pretty simple. That's pretty simple. Now, here, where is it? Nom Pinchi. Okay, Nom Pinchi is the same rule. Same rule applies with this. The same rule: A plus I, E, A plus U. Now, Pinchi, it begins with a U. Well, yeah, it will begin with a U. So basically, nah, this is nah, which means with. And basically, what I did, I took the nah, and I dropped the A and added O, because A plus U gives you O. So I can't say no pinche. That's not right. Now, I mean, of course they understand what you're trying to say, but grammatically it's not right. So you make sure you have to make sure you drop. Oh, oops. It should be nah. I meant to put nah. That's not right. So when you have two vowels like that, you have to drop them and look at them closely and see if it's A plus U or A plus I. In this case, it's A plus U. From na to u, and it should be no. It should be no pinchi. No pinchi. No pinchi. And what else do we have in this sentence? So ga, na, we know na. Okay, oh, I'll show you another example with na. Show you another example with na. See, nah. Like I have. Because it means and, it means with and have. So if I want to say I have time, I will say gi, mina, gi, because gi is the subject concord of mina. So I'll say mina gi nesikati. And isikati is time. Isikati is time. So mina gi nesikati. So gi is the subject concord of mina, and then na here is have. You see, this is the way you're supposed to write it. It doesn't. If I write it like this, ni na isikati, ni na isikati, they will understand what you're trying to say, but it's not right because you have two vowels here. And what are they? A plus I. See, A plus I gives you E, and that's why I put E here. Yi nesikati instead of yi naisikati. So I have time. Now if I say I have a friend, I'll say mina ngi non pinchi. Ngi non pinchi. You see what I did here? Oh. Because this is the original ngi na pinchi. Two vowels here, A plus U gives you O, so it will be ni non pinchi. Up in the cat, it will be ni non pinchi. So that's how that worked. See here, in ed, last one. Use some examples with the ed. Actually, my time says 9:33. Once again, I'll be back. Can't go over 10 minutes. I'll be back with the next video.